Entry number 51, Partido College, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Major Michelle P. Mahayhay, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain John Bert De La Vega, S3. Cadet Captain Sunshine P. Silva, S1. Cadet Captain Ivan Oscaras, S2. Cadet Captain BJ Sabas, S4. Cadet Captain Erika Julie Valiente, S7. Major Leader Gwen Sabani Jogelon. Band Leader John Cesar Rivero, Company Commander. Cadet Captain Javier Encinas, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Salvador Polinares, First Platoon Leader Boys. Cadet First Lieutenant Jesus P. Lacpano, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Michelle F. Toralde, CAT Facilitator Major Roberto L. Florindo, Infantry, Philippine Army. Band Advisor Coordinator Fernando G. Luneta, Major Trainer Jaime T. Esmenda Jr., Band Master Trainer Fernando G. Luneta. Entry number 51, Partido College from Goa, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 51, Partido College, Barangay Tambuco, Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 52,